morning everyone, I've got a super quick one for you today. I've started reading again for me, and invariably I fall asleep and I lose my bookmark, but with this I'm not going to lose it because it's magnetic, which is just absolutely perfect. So it's not going to slide out if I travel with it, it's always going to stay in place. Perfect, absolutely perfect. You can add a tassel if you wish, you don't have to. It uses up all of your fabric scraps. This is your magnetic bookmark. So you're just going to use up your scraps, you're going to need your magnets. We have done a deal whereby you get your instructions, your magnets and a scrap bag for an absolute song. So check out the website for that. I've been really careful about where I've sourced these magnets so that they are absolutely the right size for you. We're not going to bother interfacing or anything like that. So first things first, and this is a super quick make and sell these, gift them, do whatever you need to do with them. I'm using my Tilda scraps because they're simply too pretty to throw away. So we're going to fold and press, then fold over again and press. It's not quite like making binding. If you want to, I've got these beautiful ombre tassels. You don't have to use a tassel. If you don't want to use a tassel, do not do this step. I would though just pop a couple of little knots in there. Open this back out again and just lay that in there like so with the knot on this side, and then just fold it all up again, and we're going to sew down both ends. Honestly, this is such a quick and easy one today. So if you want to get scraps so that you can get making, get your magnets, get your instructions, and you're good to go, then do. From here, just trim away any excess, especially at those corners. When you do this end, just be careful that you don't take out this knotted end bit here. You're going to turn it through, find those edges there, just turn it through and just keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, until you get to the stage where your raw edges are in the middle. Okay? And it looks like a little boat. And then you're going to give it another press. You can give those edges a little squeeze out if you want, but then what you're going to do once that's cooled is you're going to mark in from both ends. Now whether or not this is a heat erasable pen, so it might not mark right now, but it will do. Just make sure that you have just eased out up into those corners so they're nice and crisp. There you go. And then we're going to stitch down on those marks before they change, before they disappear from the warmth. Now with this mate you're going to have a few little threads to snip. That's probably the bit that takes the longest. Right, grab your magnets. And we're going to pop one in each of these little pockets that we've created here. And just squidge them, technical term, all the way down to the folded end. There, and then just top stitch down. And what I've found works really well is if you then squidge the magnets across so that they're the other side. And then top stitch down the other side. And then they are fully encased. And from there, just snip away any little excess threads that you might have, just tidy them up. You can always use a donkey or anything like that to start off with so that you don't get the threads. But this is a really nice quick make. If you think that you're going to make lots of these, grab the bundle with the instructions and lots of magnets. And away you go, because these make great gifts. You're done. That's it. Finished. Told you it was a quick one. So check out natashamakes.com where you will find all of the details where you can get the bundles for this. The only thing I'm going to do now is just remove those pen marks and I'm done. Perfect. Quick and easy, 5-minute make. Enjoy!